I want to share my new blue spruce artificial Christmas tree. It comes in 4 foot, 6 foot, 7 foot, and 9 foot. And the blue spruce, it's actually the closest looking to a blue spruce that I have seen so far. So, and I'll show you why up close in a second. First of all, it's the color, but there's something that I didn't expect. I love that it comes with the stand at the bottom. It's because it's artificial, you don't have to worry about watering it or not watering it. And you also don't have to worry about the needles dropping off of it as it gets closer to the end of the season, because that's always such a pain. I love the lights on it. It is just one color lights. It's just solid white, and it looks more golden in the pictures than it does in person, but it is a warmer light though. They're very small little like button lights versus the pointy ones that I'm used to seeing on Christmas trees. I love how it looks. It was super easy to put together, and I just want to show you because this is not anything I had seen before. This particular company actually gave me gloves that were in the box to put it together with, and I thought, well, okay, that's kind of corny, but I tell you, I wore them when I put it together, and it was actually pretty nice because it does get a little prickly, so not bad. I could certainly have done it without the gloves, but it was a nice touch. My very first impression was when I opened the box was, oh, darn it. Look, these are just plastic. And I thought it's going to be some cheap looking tree, and it so is not. I up close, just without having it put together, it did look like it was going to be really corny and really cheap, and it's not. It actually blends really well. So don't open it up and go, oh, forget it, never mind, and send it back. Take a look at it, put it together, and see that it actually blends. See these other ones back here? These are moldable and are more flexible, and this is just that doesn't, you can't, there's no wire in these. And this is plastic, and this is more like, I don't know, like way more flexible. Each one of these needles just is more papery feeling, even though it's more nylon. It just feels different. So the fact that these are like this in that they are pre-shaped and you can't bend them around, that is actually what's making it look more real. All those ones that stick out like, around the edges like that, that's these. So, and to me, that makes it look more like a real tree. Um, it's not like someone took a chainsaw and just like cut it all off in the exact perfect symmetrical. So it just looks more real. So I am actually very thrilled with that. The lights are white. They don't twinkle. They're just steady, and you turn them off by unplugging them. That's it. So overall, I really, really love this. My very first impression was, and then I actually got it put together, and I actually really, really like it.